Introducing the new 4-in-1 Folding Series hand truck from COSCO, offering easy one-hand conversion from two-wheel hand truck to two-wheel assisted hand truck to cart and platform cart. It is the perfect tool for moving things around your home or office. While in hand truck mode and assisted truck mode, the weight capacity is 800 pounds. Constructed from steel and commercial-grade aluminum, it is lightweight and easy to handle, yet still strong and durable. To move larger items, simply fold down the toe plate and you're ready to go. In cart or platform mode, it can handle loads of up to 1,000 pounds. With never flat 10-inch solid tires, it is easy to maneuver, whatever the terrain. Using the hand truck in assisted mode increases stability and safety. With the COSCO 4-in-1 hand truck, nothing is left behind. COSCO, smart by design.